Hello, my name is Dr. Rodney Grobes of Foot Pain Doctors of Jacksonville here in Jacksonville, Florida. I wanted to speak a little about fungus toenails and the treatment of Pintpoint Laser for the treatment of fungus toenails. Two of the most common causes that I've seen over my 30 years of causing the fungus toenails. One is tinea pedis, which is the same as athlete's foot. The athlete's foot is usually the initial introduction of the way that the organism actually gets into the toenail. The fungus toenail is actually caused by the same organism as athlete's foot. So in order to treat the fungus toenail, you usually have to treat the athlete's foot as well if it is still present at that time. Without treating both, you will probably get a reintroduction of the organism into the toenail, and it'll be hard to cure, or it may just start all over again. You have to treat it again. Another way that I commonly see is from a type of instrument or something like that, commonly from a pedicurist that my patients tell me. So I tell them two ways to try to prevent that. One is to be sure that any instrument that they use or anyone, to make sure that it's completely sterile. If you go to a pedicurist, you want to make sure that they're breaking it out of a sterile pack before they're using it on your feet. And also when it comes to using some toenail polishes and things like that, you might want to bring your own, or make sure that you're using a new one at the facility so that it's not introduced from the same bottle that has already been contaminated from a previous patient or customer, I should say. Well, in reference to the Pintpoint Laser that I use here at Foot Pain Doctors of Jacksonville, it is well over 90% effective with my treatments. The way I actually treat all patients is I will go over every single toenail that is infected, whether it's on one or both feet. In addition to that, there's a at-home treatment package that the patient uses every day. In addition to that, I follow every patient every 6 to 8 weeks after I take images of the toenails, just to compare so we can see the progress at each visit, instead of just doing the procedure and letting you go on your own. I like to see the initial results that you come into the office with, to the final result, to make sure everything is clear at that point. Many of the common questions I get is the cost. What is the cost of a Pintpoint Laser? Pintpoint Laser can vary at many costs from $800 to $2,000 that I've seen, or more. I can say that here at Foot Pain Doctors of Jacksonville, our cost is one of the lowest in the region. And if you need 2 feet done, there's always a $100 discount on the second foot, and that's guaranteed. Also, we always have payment arrangements here at all of our services and products here at Jacksonville, Foot Pain Doctors of Jacksonville. So in reference to the cost, I wouldn't be too concerned about that, because we work with just about anyone as far as the cost of the treatments here at Foot Pain Doctors of Jacksonville. As far as the effectiveness, like I mentioned, is well over 90%. Just using the toenail applications itself, and there's many different types of antifungals. That usually takes a little longer time period to clear up with that on its own. The treatment package, like I said, consists of 3 products. One would be, after the laser treatment, would be a topical antifungal treatment that you brush on your toenails every day, and you remove it once a week so that it doesn't build up too thick on the toenail, where it actually will not get to the toenail to do what it needs to do to be effective. The other is Again, the topical antifungal cream that you would put on your feet every day. Again, that's to either treat the current athlete's foot that you have or prevent it from occurring so that the toenails can continue to grow out as they should. And the third would be an antifungal spray that you would spray all of your shoes every day with, in addition to slippers or anything that you would put on your feet at that time. We have available hours Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4:30 p.m. And we're also here on every other Saturday for your convenience as well. If you would like to come in for a consultation to get more information in person, we have free in-person consultations in reference to any treatment here, which is, of course, no charge. Or you can call me and I will speak to you directly. If you call our staff, who is also very friendly here, and I will give you a call back at my convenience to discuss the products and the treatment over the phone or again in person via consultation. Again, I'm Dr. Grobes from Foot Pain Doctors of Jacksonville here in Jacksonville, Florida. Our website is www.fungusnailleaserofjax.com or footpaindoctorsofjax.com. Thank you. God bless.